Unit 16. Some gases. Lesson 17. Some gases. There are 11 elements which are found in a gaseous state at normal temperature and pressure. Some of them are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, inert gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, etc. Among these gases, hydrogen is the lightest gas known. Composition of air. Usually, the composition of air is the same in most parts of the atmosphere. But, the percentile of gases by volume in the varies depending on water vapor. Without oxygen no living thing can exist in nature. They breathe in oxygen, and breathe out carbon dioxide. Hydrogen. Hydrogen was first proved to be a distinct element by an English scientist, Henry Cavendish in 1766 AD, and named it inflammable gas. Manufacture of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is used for many purposes. So, it is manufactured in large scale. Nascent, newly born, hydrogen. The atomic form of hydrogen produced at the time of chemical reaction is known as nascent hydrogen. Properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is lightest gas known. 22.4 liters of this gas weighed only 2 grams. It liquefies at -253 oC and solidifies at -259 oC. Chemical properties. Hydrogen burns in air or in oxygen with a blue flame, and it produces water. Metals like sodium, potassium, or calcium burn in hydrogen, forming corresponding hydrides. Uses of hydrogen. It is used in manufacturing of ammonia. Ammonia is used for the manufacture of fertilizers. Hydrogenation is a process in which unsaturated compounds combine with hydrogen in the presence of catalyst and in other suitable conditions, and are converted into saturated compounds. Oxygen. Oxygen gas was first prepared by British chemist Joseph Priestley in 1823 AD. He prepared it by the action of heat on red mercuric oxide. Later Lavoisier studied its properties in detail, and showed that 1/5 of the air is oxygen. Manufacture of oxygen. The cheapest raw materials for the production of oxygen are air and water. Properties of oxygen. It is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is slightly soluble in water, about 3%. It is a neutral gas. It does not affect litmus and other indicators. Combustion or burning is the combination of substance with oxygen. Chemical properties. Oxygen also reacts with most nonmetals to form covalent molecules. Many metals, among them sodium, calcium, and magnesium when strongly heated, burn in oxygen, forming their respective oxides. Nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is found both in free state and combined state. In free state it is found in atmospheric air. It constitutes about 78.08% of air. In combined state it is found in the form of ammonia, ammonium salts NH4Cl, NH42SO4, nitrate salts etc. Manufacture of nitrogen gas. It can be manufactured from 2 major sources, A. Air and B. Nitrogenous compounds. Properties of nitrogen gas. It is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. It is slightly lighter than air. Its density is 14 while that of air is 14.4. It is slightly soluble in water. It is neutral. It does not have any effect to indicators. Uses of nitrogen gas. It is used for manufacturing of ammonia, nitric acid, cyanamides, nitrites etc. Being inactive, it is used in filling electric bulbs and high-temperature thermometer. It is used to replace fuels in fuel tanks of aeroplane to prevent possible explosion which may occur due to the formation of explosive mixture of air and fuel.